Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Amazon Influencer Program, how you can get approved into the program, the requirements, and all of that. And most importantly, tips and tricks. Let's dive right in. First, I'm going to talk about the core eligibility factors as an influencer. So, the baseline eligibility to even qualify for the Amazon Influencer Program has two key credentials required. The first one is an established social media presence. Amazon wants influencers with existing viewer followings that can drive traffic to product listings via created video content. However, the published follower requirements are vague and could range from the hundreds to tens of thousands. Plus, followers reported, and the most important one is an old account longevity. So, if you just create an account now for the sole reason of joining the program, then chances are you're not going to get accepted. From my own experience, only accounts that are months or even years old usually get accepted. So the safest bet is having an actively posting account with about 500 plus followers or subscribers that is about a few months old at the least. But even then, exceptions occur in both directions. So there is nothing wrong with giving it a shot and applying anyway. Stay persistent with applying if you fall slightly outside the thresholds. The second requirement is creating video content. And while you won't submit actual videos until the second approval stage, a willingness to regularly publish Amazon-hosted video reviews and tutorials is central for eligibility. So, if producing consistent high-quality video content focused on specific products does not appeal to you, then the influencer program may not be the right monetization avenue to explore. Assuming that you already meet the above informal qualifications, let's examine the actual two-phase acceptance process. The very first approval hurdle is getting accepted into the baseline Amazon Influencer Program. This permits access to video hosting capabilities and related features. In order to apply, you would have to visit the Amazon Influencer homepage and then click Apply Now. When prompted, choose your main established social media account with the following that we talked about earlier. After that, you will have to provide some permissions for Amazon to review channel subscriber counts, posting activity consistency, account longevity, and more. As for the acceptance evaluation factors, Amazon has never publicly quantified the exact subscriber requirements. But based on my own reporting and research, it's likely your social media presence gets assessed across metrics like the total followers and subscribers, average viewership statistics, account posting regularity, and whether you have any account verification badges. So essentially, they evaluate your potential influence reach to determine expected video content visibility and discovery likelihood. Of course, higher numbers with an engaged, loyal community improve the odds dramatically. But even small yet passionate niches can overcome lower raw followers. After submitting your application form, within 1 to 3 weeks you will receive either a welcome email or a denial notice. But either way, you will receive a response. And when the acceptance comes in, you would have to shift focus to crafting the amazing videos for Phase 2. And if rejected, then no worries. You can always apply again when you grow your accounts even more. But I would recommend understanding why you got rejected in the first place instead of spamming applications without changing anything. You could ask for clarification from the support and then reapply in a few months with a larger audience. Now I'm going to discuss actually getting approved for earning commissions with the second phase and the final milestone to getting the influencer badge on your video content, along with affiliate commission earning permissions when viewers purchase reviewed products. And this requires successfully submitting 3 quality video reviews Amazon deems aligned to program policies and the monetization suitability. For that, you would have creative flexibility across numerous elements such as the filming style, whether you want to have faceless, voiceover only, talking head, action cam, all of that. The video length can be 30 seconds to 5+ minutes, with under 3 minutes recommended. Products featured can be unrelated, but concentrating on a niche helps. And how sophisticated the editing is, as simple jump cuts are fine, you would want to avoid effects overkill. And despite flexibility, several best practices shine through from approved influencers. Some tips I would recommend is to have the video production quality as good as possible. Ensure that the footage is lit with minimal graininess, crisp audio pickup without excessive background noise, color balance across clips, and steady camera work. Production polish conveys professionalism and competence around showcasing products. Speak clearly in your videos, modulate your tone, and make comfortable eye contact with the camera. If you're shooting with a face cam, always smile and present with confidence. Again, this echoes competence, building trustworthiness around your recommendations. When it comes to video editing, extensive flashy edits are not essential. Cleanly trimming verbal pauses and filler utterances like ums and likes tightens the pacing. I would recommend using jump cuts mid-sentence to skip mistakes or re-record full sessions for cohesion. You can check out similar videos like these from big influencers making a lot of money through the program for inspiration and to gather ideas before creating your own videos, as this is what's working. And this is what got approved in the first place, and that will be all in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions related to the topic. And if you enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.